All right, so now I've got a completely fresh, brand spanking new scene here. We'll just go quickly through the steps to set it up for AR Core again. First one just been change the platform to Android, go into your player settings, multi-threaded rendering off, change the company name to something cool, Core, and then minimum API level to 7. And at the bottom, just check AR Core supported. Okay, and then we just need to drag in that AR Core package that we had downloaded. And we're going to use everything except for the Halo. I'll import the Hello AR example anyway, but yeah, we'll create our own scene from scratch. We at least using a few of the components that came with AR Core. Actually, we're only going to be using one of the AR Core components today. It's just called the session component. The session is like kind of like, oh, okay, so I see you want to do an AR Core thing, so it's just kind of like a kind of hitting play, hitting play on this session, and then all this AR Core stuff just happens in its own update loop sort of thing. We'll probably get a bit of a sense once we start making things. Okay, so the first step is just go to the main camera, add component, and we're gonna first of all add the pose. What is it? A track pose driver. That's a Unity component, and we're just going to change the pose source to color camera. And now the update type in how AR Core does it, they've been doing it before render instead of update and before render. I haven't mucked around too much with it yet, so I'm not sure, but they probably wouldn't make too much of a difference. Anyway, so the next one we just need to add is the session component. And that session component won't be there unless you've imported the AR Core package. Okay, and this AR session config, we're just going to go hit this little search button and then just go into assets, and you should find this default session config here. And first person camera,